tick a tock, my golden hen, my golden hen. Tick a tock, my golden hen. Tick a tock, my golden hen. She lay next for the gentleman. Sometime 9 and sometime 10. Oh, and whenever she lay, she make an alarm. Cock, me lay out, whoa, lay out, whoa. Searching for morning from a golden hen. Got a little girl at my home. She wake up this morning. She didn't eat no breakfast, no. She wake up this morning, she no eat no breakfast. She leave out my home and she faint in the path. She give my neighborhood lots of remarks, lots of remarks. She give them lots of remarks, lots of remarks. It was not my fault when she faint in the path. Lord God no. Hey little girl, don't be like a rolling car. Oh, before the wind you're gonna be like a shaft. If you live like a rolling car, no, don't live like a rolling car, no. Tick a tock, my golden hen. She lay next for the gentleman. Sometime 9 and sometime 10. Whoa, whenever she lay, Lord, she make an alarm. Cock, me lay out, whoa, lay out, whoa. But I'm in searching for morning from a golden hen. Whoa, but I'm in searching for morning from a golden hen. Because she's my best friend. Because she's my best friend. Searching for morning. Because she's my best friend. Whoa. Tick a tock, my golden hen. Come on back. Tick a tock, my golden hen. Come on back. Whoa, I beg you please come on back, girl. So tick a tock, my golden hen. She lay next for the gentleman. Sometime 9 and sometime 10. Whoa, and whenever she lay, she make an alarm. Cock, me lay out, whoa.